Model improvement. In the previous version, each fitted chamfer command can only set one radius for the edges, which may lead to redundant fitted chamfer features in the history tree, and it's not easy for you to redefine because you have to find the exact one you want to modify among mass features. So, we improved the workflow in these useful commands. Now, you can set different types of radius in one fitted chamfer feature. Let's take fitted as an example. In this case, the radius of the first set of fitted should be 1 mm, and let us select the related edges. Then, middle click. You will see that the first set is stored in the list. Now, we can set the second set of fitted, which the radius should be 5 mm. Then, select the edges and finish the rest of it. Now, you can see all three sets of the fillet are stored in only one fitted features in history tree. Next improvement. When you are redefining a feature, sometimes you may find that the original elements you selected is no longer there. In the previous version, the lost elements will not be reserved in the features. Only a dialog box showing that how many we lost but do not specify the details. But now, in ZW3D 2022, it is more user-friendly. Let's also take this as an example. Roll back the step before the fillet. Then, make a boolean cut on the shape. Now, this edge no longer exists. Okay. Then, make the step through to the end. You will see that there is an exclamation mark on the icon. Now, try to redefine the fillet feature. The missing element is still listed. Click on it. The geometry data will be displayed with dashed line. Now, user will know where and which elements were missing while they redefine the features. Thanks for watching.